Welcome back, guys, to yet another interesting episode on India Hot Wheels Hunters. And today we are going to have a look at very interesting car, very interesting brand. But first and foremost, I would like to apologize for a long absence from YouTubing. I was facing some sort of problems with my recording device, my editing device, and overall data connectivity. But nevertheless, I am back with a brand spanking new video with a brand spanking new brand, which is of course not related to Hot Wheels or our usual Matchbox and Tomica stuff, but it is something which is really different, which is Mini GT. And we are today going to have a look at this particular model. I'm going to unbox it for you. This has just came to me from a very good friend of mine. I'll be attaching his Instagram handle down below in the description, and let us have a look at this box. So as usual, we'll start from the front. We can see that on the front side it is mentioned Mini GT, Pandem, Nissan GTR, Passion Pink, the color of the car, the actual side representation of a car, 123. I suppose this is the serial number of this particular model. It says it is a TSM model scale miniatures. On the left hand side it says Mini GT again, and we can see the scale 1:64. On the back side we can see that Nissan Motor Corporation official licensed product and other trademarks and copyrights this particular model is based on, the website and a hologram which authenticates this particular model. On the left hand side again we can see that Pandem, the name of the car, is mentioned. On the below the box it says that it is suitable for ages plus. This means it is a collector's model. As we can see, it is directly mentioned collector model, not suitable for children under 14 years. It is a choking hazard, and that is about it. So without wasting much time, let us go ahead and unbox this pretty little car. So here we are. I have just opened the outside cellophane paper plastic packaging, and I would like to keep this way because this keeps the cardboard box in a very nice shape. So I have just made a slit here so that I can open the box from here, and let us see what this brand and this model is about. First reactions, it is just wow, just wow. I'll get everything aside and we'll have a specific look on the model itself. So the only thing that I am tremendously attracted towards is the way they have packed this little car. So let us bring this box again in the viewfinder. It has a plastic packaging. The box is also very nice, not a flimsy one. Inside that box we can find a molded plastic thing which is keeping the car in its shape. And now let us take the car outside. I'll do it very nicely. I don't want to ruin anything, put some scratches on it. And here we are, guys. I don't have words to describe how nice this model feels in hands. You know, it is nothing compared to the standard mainline Hot Wheels or mainline Matchboxes or even mainline Tomica cars. This is much more detailed. And let us, as usual, start from the sides. We can see that the color is pink, as the box mentioned, with some sparkly element in it. The paint, if you can see, is absolutely stunning. On these sides, this is the first model of this particular size having so many details. We can see air vents here, black painted door handles, mirrors which are painted, a Pandem logo on the doors. We can see some riveted flare fenders, front and rear. Of course, I should and will mention the golden wheels, which are stunning, by the way. Even at the rear lip, there is some sort of logo which is absolutely detailed. And moving on to the front fascia, it is the period specific and unmissable Nissan GTR fascia. Again, on the front side we can see there is a small lip that has been provided. The radiator is showing, it is marked with some sort of markings with a brand for it. I suppose I cannot read it, but it says G ready. Then the unmistakable GTR headlights, the scoops on the hood with some sort of air intake, very detailed, very nice, very painted. And here again, these are not painted headlights but plastic inserts. On the left hand side again, oh sorry, I forgot to mention the windshield. It is painted, you can see some wipers, so detailed, very nice, Pandem printed on the windshield. On the left hand side again, they have missed nothing from the other side, but here we can see a gas cap which is very nicely put together. The on the left hand on the rear end we can see perfectly put together set of tail lights. Again, these are not painted but these are red plastic inserts. Again, we can see there are some sort of markings on the bumper as well, and a big giant rear spoiler, again with a Pandem name, but they have tried to give it some sort of carbon finish to it. And this is plastic, the body is metal. Again, at the base, if we want to inspect, we can see it says 2009 GTR R35 used under license, made in China, mini GT. And the only specific thing which I observed here is this base is attached to the body with means of two screws and not rivets. So usually we see that Matchbox or Hot Wheel cars are riveted to the base, but what this does is it gives you opportunity to customize this. You can take this off, you can put different sort of size wheels, you can put up, you can lift this model. But man, oh man, I would take an opportunity here and say, this brand is providing the most detailed out of the box models at this scale. So if I have to rate this particular model out of 10, I would definitely and 100% give it 10 on 10, just not because of how detailed the model is, but all the things, the shenanigans, it is accompanied with a proper plastic case to hold it inside the box, a proper box with plastic covering. And if we just want to compare it with a Hot Wheels car, which is absolutely not necessary, but from the point of view of comparing the size, we can keep it side by side and we can definitely see that they are almost the same size, and looking by it, there is not much difference between the size. But just to be sure, we can take it and measure it by my trusted yellow scale, and it is around 3 inches, so very similar to the Hot Wheels mainlines and premium cars. So this is all about today's car. I have loved it. I would rather buy all the colors which are available in this particular model and particular brand, and I would rather buy the entire set that Mini GT is offering. So a big hats off to how much detailed this model is, the way it looks. And if you like the things that I'm doing, you like the models that I'm unboxing, reviewing, please do let me know in the comments. Hit like, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram with the same handle, India Hot Wheels Hunters. And until next time, keep collecting, keep enjoying. Tada.